Hello everyone, welcome to Maths class. Today let us solve exercise 8.4, main question number 5. In that question 5, cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1 equal to cosec A plus cot A. Using the identity cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. Here we have to show LHS equal to RHS. Now let us start proof with LHS. LHS equal to cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1. Look at RHS. RHS is cosec A and cot A. Cosec A is 1 by sin A and cot A is cos A divided by sin A. Cosec and cot A and denominator is sin A. So, if we divide LHS with sin A, we get answer. In trigonometry, there is no particular method, but we have to use sometimes trigonometric identities and algebraic identities. Now, dividing by sin A equal to cos A divided by sin A minus sin A divided by sin A plus 1 by sin A. Whole numerator we have to divide with sin A. Same denominator also divide with sin A plus sin A by sin A minus 1 by sin A. Next, cos A by sin A is cot A minus 1 sin A cancel plus 1 by sin A is cosec A whole divided by cot A plus sin A by sin A 1 minus cosec A. Now let us rearrange the term. Cot A plus cosec A minus 1 divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. Transpose here, 1 is equal to cosec square A minus cot square A. Next, substitute the value of 1 cosec square A minus cot square A. This is in the form of A square minus B square. A plus B into A minus B. Now write as it is minus A plus B cosec A plus cot A cosec A minus cot A. A plus B into A minus B denominator as it is. Next, cosec A plus cot A. Cosec A plus cot A. This is common. These two are two different brackets. Bring out common. Cot A plus cosec A is common. This is common. Cosec A plus cot A. Now here 1 left over. 1 minus, this is minus, cosec A plus into minus 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 into minus plus cot A bracket close divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Now compare plus 1 minus cosec A plus cot A. We can cancel this bracket. Answer is cot A plus cosec A equal to RHS. Question number 6. Root of 1 plus sin A divided by 1 minus sin A equal to sec A plus tan A. LHS equal to RHS. Now let us start the proof with LHS. 1 plus sin A divided by 1 minus sin A. Root of. Let us start the proof. In RHS, sec A. Sec A means 1 by cos A. And tan A is also sin A by cos A. So LHS part we have to bring in terms of sec A and tan A. So, and also it has square root. If we multiply and divide with 1 plus sin A, then we can remove the square root. Next, multiply and divide by 1 plus sin A. Now, 1 plus sin A divided by 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A. Multiply and divide with 1 plus sin A. A into A square. So, 1 plus sin A whole square. Next, A minus B into A plus B. A square, 1 square minus sin square A square minus B square. 1 minus sin square A. Square root. Now, square root of A square is A. 1 plus sin A. Here, 1 plus sin A divided by 1 minus sin square A. Using identity, sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. Therefore, cos square A equal to 1 minus sin square A. 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. It's a square root. Square root of cos square A is cos A. Now split here. 1 divided by cos A plus sin A divided by cos A. 1 by cos A is sec A plus sin A by cos A is tan A equal to RHS. Question number 7. Sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta equal to tan theta. LHS is this much. In RHS, tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. Look at the RHS. Here we can bring out sin theta. Sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta. In the numerator, sin theta is common. So 1 minus 2 sin square theta divided by cos theta is common. Cos theta 2 cos square theta minus 1. This is bracket close. Half of the answer already we get. Here sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. Now try to cancel these two brackets. Now apply the identity. 1 is sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Substitute the value here. Sin theta by cos theta common. 1 is sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin square theta divided by 2 cos square theta minus sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Now you can write here sin theta by cos theta is tan theta. Cos square theta, sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta. Means sin square theta is here 1 sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta. 1 minus 2 minus 1. So minus sin square theta divided by 2 cos square theta minus cos square theta. Here outside the bracket minus is there. 2 cos square theta minus cos square theta is cos square theta minus sin square theta. Cancel. Tan theta equal to RHS. In most of the proofs, we have to apply these three trigonometric identities and the reciprocal, concept of the reciprocal. Okay, thank you.